Hello dear travel lovers and welcome to your Travelland booking website. Discover the world for less. Here, you can save up to 60% on hotels and flights worldwide. First of all, go to www.yourtravelland.com. Scroll down and you will be presented with a user-friendly interface that is very easy to use. On the top, you will see some direct links to the main areas like flights, hotels and deals, car rentals, bus or train, airport transfers, and guide. You can know more about your Travelland booking website by clicking on the About Us section. We will go with each section in detail so that you can use it on the go. On the main screen, you will see options to choose from flights or hotels. Let us find a flight from Shanghai to Paris. I will click on the flights section and enter the starting point of the journey in the origin section, followed by Paris in the destination. Now, select the date of departure. Also, if you are planning to come back, a round-way trip can be booked by adding the return date too. As soon as it is done, enter the number of passengers and the travel class. At the lower right end, you will see a checkbox which will ask if you want to see the hotels nearby or at any location in the city. Finally, click on Search and you will see that an additional tab has been opened in the browser. One tab will present the hotels, and the other one will align the flights. At your Travelland booking website, you can do both the things at an equal pace and will always be one step ahead of other service providers in the market. First, let us go to the flights page and here you can select the flight that matches your requirements. Click on Book and you will be transferred to our partner's interface. And now, you can go with the regular process of making the payment and your booking will be done. Now, let's head back to the hotel page. On the left side, your dates are already synchronized with the flight details, and you just have to choose the hotel and book the room. First of all, scroll down and add any filters if any of the categories. The options will be presented according to the same. After selecting your hotel, click on Choose Your Room and now you can go with the regular procedures and book your room. Now let us get back to the main page and have a look at the hotel section. Click on Hotels, enter your city or hotel name. Now enter a check-in and check-out date followed by the number of guests. Also, you can click on the Compare Hotels at the lower side to have more good options. Finally, click on Search and you will be presented with the hotels. Select the one you like and click on the Book Now. A new tab will open with the formal procedures that are required to be carried out. Go with all the regular processes and your booking will be done. Now let us have a look at what you can do when you reach your destination. As soon as you will land, you may need a car on rent, or a bus or train to reach your hotel or any other place. In the car rentals section, enter your pickup and drop location, followed by the date and time. Now, click on Search and you will be shown the options that are available. The same procedure goes on the bus or train. Choose your pickup and drop location, select the date and click on Find Tickets. At the end, Guide, the most important part for a tourist. Here, you will get all the required information in the form of photos, videos, and articles that can be a great help to explore the location in a much better way. Now, go to the main screen and scroll down. Here, you will be presented with the popular destinations in case you are having a hard time finding a destination. These are presented with the flight and hotel options altogether. After you click on one of the options, the process is the same as we saw while booking the flights. Scroll down and you will be presented with the airfare calendar. You can select your flight according to your convenience and budget. Let's scroll down and you can see another option to search hotels. This section is presented by a different provider. There are chances that you can get a better deal in this one. Here are some of the things that make us different. Finally, you can enter your email and can get amazing and exclusive travel offers for your holidays. If you have any questions, click on Contact Us, fill up the form and click on Send. We will get back to you shortly. Happy booking!